Are you facing the dreaded 429 too many requests error on your WordPress website? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix it and get your site running smoothly again. Stay tuned till the end for the most effective solution. The 429 too many requests error occurs when a server receives too many requests from a user or an automated system in a short period. This error is usually a sign that your website is being overwhelmed by excessive traffic or bot activity. Common causes: 1. High bot traffic or brute force attacks. 2. Plugins or themes making too many API requests. 3. Misconfigured server rate limits. 4. Search engines or third-party services making frequent requests. Solution 1. Disable problematic plugins. First, let's check if any plugin is causing excessive requests. Go to your WordPress dashboard, deactivate all plugins, and reactivate them one by one to identify the culprit. If you find a problematic plugin, consider replacing it with an alternative. Use tools like Query Monitor to track HTTP requests from plugins. Solution 2. Enable security plugins. Installing a security plugin like WordFence or Securi can help limit excessive bot traffic and prevent brute force attacks that trigger the 429 error. These plugins provide features like firewall protection and rate limiting settings. Solution 3. Limit login attempts. To prevent repeated failed login attempts from triggering the error, install a plugin like Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. This plugin restricts the number of login attempts and blocks suspicious IPs. Steps to set up: 1. Install and activate the plugin. 2. Configure the maximum allowed login attempts. 3. Set a lockout period for repeated failures. Solution 4. Check your hosting provider. Sometimes, your hosting provider may have set strict rate limits. Reach out to your hosting support and ask if they can adjust the limits to better accommodate your site's needs. Consider upgrading to a higher hosting plan if your traffic has grown significantly. Solution 5. Optimize API usage. If you're using third-party services like social media integrations or analytics tools, they might be making too many API requests. Check the settings of these services and optimize the request frequency. Solution 6. Block bad bots. Blocking known bad bots via your .htaccess file can help reduce unwanted requests. Simply add rules to deny access to known malicious bots. Solution 7. Increase server resources. If your site receives high traffic, consider upgrading your server resources. This includes increasing bandwidth, memory, and CPU capacity to handle more requests efficiently. And there you have it. By following these solutions, you should be able to resolve the 429 too many requests error on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.